Fresno State, through its Jordan Agricultural Research Center, will serve as a testing facility for COVID-19. This privately funded state-of-the-art lab facility will support the County of Fresno by providing a much-needed resource in this time of crisis for our county, state, and nation. We will not have students involved in this project. These would be employees of the university who would be helping the county on this project. The on-campus laboratory will only receive and house collected specimens, as swab tests continue to be conducted off-site.
I think having a lab here locally fills a very significant void that we've had in this pandemic response. And I'm happy to announce that we will be able to test dozens of specimens every day on people who will very rapidly know whether or not they have the COVID infection. We actually have test specimens that we're able to run, hopefully as early as later this week. Then we'll be able to add in this laboratory resource as part of the overall network of laboratories within the public health system, as well as within the medical care system. We will be working with clinical sites in order to get specimens and get people to submit the swabs. So we have a lot of partnerships that we still need to work out in terms of where people can actually get tested. But we know that this lab will be a crucial part of addressing the surveillance and addressing the overall lab testing question. There have not been any public health labs within the county that will offer the resource that is inside this building. Obviously, we do have private labs that are collecting swabs, but even those labs are sending those specimens out of county, sometimes as close as Tulare, sometimes as far away as the Richmond lab, which is the state lab. We're shooting for 40 to 60 tests a day. So what we're hoping is that with less than a day of a result time here, that we can actually get somebody an answer within that same day or less than 24 hours. We're estimating that there's probably a few hundred swabs being done every single day here in Fresno, which does sound like a lot, and that number is going up every day. Hopefully this is the start of a longer-term collaboration between California State University in Fresno and the public health laboratory system.